Did you know that the longest recorded commercial flight lasted a staggering 19 hours and 16 minutes? That's enough time to binge watch an entire season of your favorite TV show twice. But let's face it, spending that much time stuck in a metal tube hurtling through the sky isn't exactly everyone's idea of comfort. Fear not, weary travelers, because today we're bringing you the ultimate guide to making those marathon flights not just bearable, but downright enjoyable. Whether you're jetting off for business or pleasure, buckle up as we unveil our top 10 tips to transform your long-haul journey into a first-class experience without the hefty price tag. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover how to turn those dreaded long flights into a sky-high spa retreat. Let's dive in, starting with number 10. Practice relaxation techniques. During your flight, mastering relaxation techniques can significantly enhance your experience. Engage in deep breathing exercises, allowing slow, deliberate breaths to calm your nerves and ease tension. Meditation offers a profound method to center your mind amidst the bustling atmosphere of air travel, fostering inner peace and tranquility. Visualizing serene scenes or positive outcomes can counteract anxiety, guiding you into a state of profound relaxation. Incorporating these practices not only alleviates stress, but also facilitates better sleep, ensuring you arrive at your destination refreshed and revitalized. Let's move on to number 9. Use sleep aids wisely. When grappling with sleeplessness during flights, judiciously employing sleep aids can provide respite. Options such as melatonin or over-the-counter sleep medications can be beneficial, but it's crucial to seek guidance from a healthcare professional beforehand, particularly if you're on other medications. Consulting with a healthcare provider ensures safe and effective usage, minimizing potential risks and maximizing the aid's efficacy in facilitating restful sleep during your journey. Number 8 on our list is adjust to the time zone. Preparing for your journey involves more than just packing. It's about adjusting your body clock too. Begin tweaking your sleep schedule a few days prior to departure to align with your destination's time zone. This preemptive adjustment can mitigate the effects of jet lag, facilitating a smoother transition upon arrival. By gradually acclimating to the new time zone, you'll find it easier to sync your internal clock with your destination's local time, ensuring you're ready to hit the ground running upon touchdown. Bringing us to number 7. Pack healthy snacks. When preparing for your flight, don't overlook the importance of packing nutritious snacks to sustain you throughout the journey. Rather than solely relying on airplane meals, opt for healthy options such as nuts, dried fruits, granola bars, or sandwiches. These portable snacks not only keep hunger at bay, but also help maintain steady energy levels, ensuring you feel refreshed upon arrival. By proactively choosing wholesome snacks, you can nourish your body and mind, making the travel experience more enjoyable and comfortable. Number 6, we have bring entertainment. As you prepare for your upcoming flight, ensure to enhance your journey with a plethora of entertainment options. Load up your devices with an assortment of movies, TV shows, music playlists, podcasts, or captivating audiobooks to keep yourself engaged throughout the duration of the flight. Whether you're in the mood for a thrilling movie, binge-worthy series, or soothing tunes, having a variety of options at your fingertips will make the time fly by. Additionally, remember to pack chargers and power banks to ensure your devices remain powered up throughout the flight, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted entertainment from takeoff to landing. With your personalized entertainment arsenal and the assurance of continuous power, you're set to embark on a journey filled with enjoyment and relaxation in the skies. Let's move on to number 5. Move around regularly. To combat stiffness and promote circulation during your flight, it's essential to incorporate regular movement into your routine. Take proactive steps to prevent blood clots by making a point to get up and walk around every few hours. Even while seated, engage in simple exercises like ankle rolls and shoulder shrugs to keep your body active and alleviate any tension. By prioritizing regular movement and incorporating these simple exercises into your flight routine, you'll ensure a more comfortable and healthy journey. Number 4 on our list is dress comfortably. Opting for comfortable attire is key to a pleasant flight experience. Choose loose-fitting, breathable clothing and consider layering to adapt to any temperature variations throughout your journey. This ensures you stay cozy and relaxed regardless of the cabin conditions. Prioritizing comfort in your attire not only enhances your overall comfort, but also contributes to a more enjoyable and stress-free travel experience. Bringing us to number 3. Stay hydrated. Maintaining hydration is essential for a comfortable and healthy flight experience. Be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the duration of your journey to prevent dehydration, which can exacerbate jet lag and leave you feeling fatigued. Consider bringing a refillable water bottle with you on board, allowing you easy access to hydration throughout the flight. Don't hesitate to ask flight attendants to refill your water bottle whenever needed. By prioritizing hydration, you'll not only feel more refreshed upon arrival, but also minimize the effects of long-distance travel on your body. Let's move on to number 2. Pack comfort essentials. To ensure a restful and comfortable journey, it's essential to pack comfort essentials that will help you relax and sleep better during the flight. Consider bringing along items such as a plush neck pillow to provide support and alleviate any strain, an eye mask to block out light and promote restful sleep, and earplugs to minimize disturbances from cabin noise. Additionally, pack a cozy blanket or shawl to keep you warm and snug throughout the flight, allowing you to drift off into a peaceful slumber. By prioritizing these comfort essentials, you'll create a tranquil environment conducive to relaxation, ensuring you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Number 1, we have choose the right seat. Selecting the ideal seat can significantly enhance your comfort and enjoyment during a flight. If you anticipate needing to stretch your legs frequently, opt for an aisle seat, providing easy access to the aisle without disturbing other passengers. Conversely, if you prefer a cozy spot to lean against while sleeping, a window seat offers the perfect solution, allowing you to rest your head against the cabin wall. It's advisable to avoid seats located near bathrooms or galleys, as these areas often experience heightened noise and activity, potentially disrupting your rest. By strategically choosing your seat based on your preferences and needs, you'll set the stage for a more pleasant and tranquil journey. Thank you for tuning into our video on 10 tips to make your long flights more comfortable. We hope you found these suggestions helpful in ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable travel experience on your next long-haul journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. Safe travels, and may your future flights be filled with comfort and relaxation. Until next time, happy flying.